Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the growth of the population. So the population growth, it actually depends upon certain parameters. It depends upon the food, the quantity of food which is available in the environment, the pressure from the predator, so the predator pressure, and the last but not the least, the weather conditions. So these are the factors on which the growth of population depends. So since these factors are ever changing, population growth is not a static, it is not a static parameter, it is constantly changing. So there are certain processes on which this population growth depends. So first process here is natality. Natality means the number of births during a given period of time. It generally increases the population. Second process is mortality. Mortality means the number of deaths in a given period of time. So when people are dying, it has a negative impact on the population growth. Third type of process is immigration. Immigration means the number of individuals of the same species that are added to a particular habitat in a given period of time. This immigration means when people are coming over in a particular area, adding to a particular population. So this increases the population density. Fourth parameter we have is emigration. Fourth parameter is emigration, which is completely opposite of immigration. In this, what happens, the number of individuals that move out to a different habitat in a given period of time, it decreases the population. So now if we take these four processes into account and draw a flow chart, so the population density the factors, for example, first factor is natality. Natality has a positive impact on the population, whereas mortality has a negative impact. Again, immigration will have a positive impact on the population density. However, the emigration will have a negative impact. So this is a overall flow chart. Basis on the flow chart that we have just drawn, we can calculate the population density at a given time. So let's suppose this is the population density at time t. How we can calculate it? First we have to know we should know the population density at the initial period of time. At the initial time. Now this will be added to the positive parameters, which is immigration and natality rate. These both have positive impact on the population density. So here we will be added these two. Now these should be subtracted from these negative impact. Mortality plus immigration, we have to subtract these two so that we can calculate the population at a given time, at time t. This is the formula of calculating the population density. This equation shows that population density will increase if the number of births and the number of immigrants will be if these two are more than mortality and emigration. But the number of population will decrease if this parameter is higher as compared to this one. Because if we see here, these two are actually opposite of each other. Immigration and emigration are opposite, and natality and mortality are completely opposite of each other. So this is the formula for calculating the population density. I hope you understand this topic. I hope you like this video. Have a great day.